So this is the Iron Gym Total Upper Body Workout Bar, up close and personal. So this is the box that it came in. Apparently you can, it gives you a free Iron Gym personal trainer, but I didn't get it. When we go inside anywhere that Iron Gym personal trainer, but what I found was several bolts and instruction on how to put it together. And supplementary, which I found surprising when I liked it, was that they also included a Iron Gym, the Ultimate Upper Body Workout and Nutritional Guide, and it tells you how to do the pull-ups, sit-ups, push-ups, and dips. And it can give you a workout plan. I like that. There you go. And that's what came in the box.